Like, how was today's session? What you learned? So first go with Vivek. Hi Vivek.
Hi, sir.
So how was today's session? What you learned? Any confusion? Dot? Yeah, all is good.
No, sir. It's clear.
It's clear. Okay. So how was today's session? What you learned?
Sir, it was good. I
Mm-hmm.
learned about the wrapper class,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it's very useful. I have seen in integration we are using wrapper classes
Mm-hmm.
that I have seen.
Mm.
So I'll
How to store?
implement it and the other.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
How to store data?
So I'll
Different
try to
type of
implement
data in a wrapper class, and how to display wrapper class data into the LWC component. Yeah.
it.
You're
Right, sir.
clear?
And same for the stack. resource.
Sure.
It's clear,
So
sir.
wrapper class
Thank you, sir.
actually, as per your requirement, if your requirement is store data as a integer, if your requirement is store data as a boolean, as per your requirement, you can store the data. Okay. So this is a purpose to create a wrapper class. You can store multiple data type. Now go to the Santosh. Hi Santosh, can you open your camera, please?
1 minute, sir.
Sure.
Sir, actually, I'm from Mumbai and
Mm-hmm.
network issue
Okay.
in my home today.
Okay. Okay. Facing network issue.
Sir, okay.
So how was
Yeah,
your
yeah.
how was
Actually,
today's
I'm from
session?
mobile internet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now it is good. It's looking good.
So, sir,
So how was
yeah, yeah.
today's sessions?
So,
What you learned?
actually, so these sessions is very important for me to learn much more. I mean, basic to some advanced level. So,
Mm-hmm.
right now, before your training, I know basic knowledge in LWC.
Mm-hmm.
So, once I began your training, attended your trainings daily.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm getting more confidence day by day.
Great.
And using wrapper class for this session, we can display multiple objects also, right, sir?
Yes, yes. As per
Multiple
your
object
requirement, you
data.
can
We
display
can
multiple object data.
yeah we can declare the wrapper variables and we can use different queries. I mean different
Yeah.
objects.
Yes, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
practice
Just we
from
need to
your
pass
end.
the ID to a
Mhm. So do
yes,
practice
sir.
from your
I
end.
will do that on Saturday, sir.
Objective is today I covered how to create wrapper class, how to get data, how to display wrapper class data in the LWC component. So your concept are clear. You understood how to create a function, how to
Yes.
use. So
Yeah.
try
Yes,
to
sir.
do from your side. So
It was
different
excellent, sir.
data type, create different data type. Objective is you should know how does work it. Okay. So as per your requirement,
Mm.
you can define different data type and store the data and populate this. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for joining both of you friends. Tomorrow I am thinking
Sir, I will do you.
tomorrow I will cover REST API integration. How does work REST API integration
Mm.
in LWC
Mm.
component? So don't miss
Mm.
tomorrow
Okay.
session. Tomorrow session it's very really
Okay.
important. Okay.
And sir, we can also cover scenarios which are there on your website. There are also complex scenarios which you have demonstrated.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So tomorrow
Yes, sir.
don't miss
Okay.
tomorrow class don't miss. Tomorrow I will teach you how to use Apex, how to use REST API integration in LWC component. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
for joining for the day.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.